mall, in America mall. Sometimes they display car. So we're next to the Pasadena Roughneck. It's like a luxury car. And here is a Jaguar. This grill looks like the, you know, the usual grill they have on the in front of the Jeep, Lexus. A lot of car right now is really popular with all this like black grill instead of the line bars, you know, the horizontal bars. I think it's really cool. And this is the Jaguar logo. So I think it's really cool. And first of all, Jaguar is, I think it's a part of the Range Rover company, but from far away it really looked like Lexus. It's really cool, like in the front, it's like, I mean, it's like things gonna like fall inside. I don't know why they make it like this. Just look very sporty. And the reason why I like this car, I'm showing you this, is because I love the orange color. Wow, is this the gas? Why is the gas in the front? This is the front of the car and the gas is in the car. Okay. So I really love this orange color. I love it so much. So the luxury car, they all have this handle. You need a key or else it doesn't pop out. You can't really see the inside, but it's like this. Let me see if I can find the price. Oh, here it is. $85,000. I'll just read it to you. $85,000. So this is a 2019 I-Pace EV400 First Edition. I like this black lining on the side. HSE. So it's really cool. Here it has this bar, windbreak bar. Wow, looks so nice. I-Pace, Jaguar. Here's another their logo. Roughneck. Wow, look at the line. Wow, I just love this orange color. It looks so cool. Let's check out more in the front. Yeah. Oh, I need a thumbnail. Oh, this is a good thumbnail. Yeah. Okay, bye.